Please stop. No. Stop. Hey guys, it's Mealy Camille. How are you guys all doing today? Comment down below to let us know. Ew, what is on there?
I don't know. It's your table.
Sticky? Is it wet? Oh, it's probably from the drinks. Anyways, guys, so this is my second time recording this video, but it's okay. It's gonna be better because I have Kim. We have her camera, her phone actually. If you have me on Twitter, I posted it on Twitter, and it's right here. My Twitter post. We ghetto rigged this whole thing. It's kind of bad. My table's a mess. It has my makeup everywhere. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get into number simulator picks. How my makeup, right?
Yeah.
Can I talk? Okay, so
I just got kidnapped. I'm here.
She got boba out of it. Okay, so for those of you who see the chats, I mean not the chats, the comments that you need boba.
Where?
On Twitter. Here.
Where?
Here. Anyways, so I got this inspiration from Nikki Tutorials. I'm not sure where she got her inspiration from, if it was original nowadays.
Stop talking shit, just get on with it.
Okay. As Kim likes to say, stop chatting shit and let's move on. So the first card is foundation. So it's the number generator 1 through 2. And 1 is foundation and 2 is none. And I got 2. Which is none. That's awesome. We're off at a great start because all of these options have a none as an option. Number 2 is powder or no powder. Generate. And I picked 1. So
I'm confused. What's happening?
great commentary. Here you go.
Wait, so did it say no foundation?
Yeah, no foundation.
How did you put that on? I thought you put that after.
After you put foundation on.
I thought you baked with it. Like flour. You put it in banana.
This is to like make sure that your powder doesn't look super cake taste.
Why do people bake if they don't want to look like cake?
So Kim's gonna do it. I forgot to mention that part. She's gonna do every part.
I don't know. You gotta. Oh shit.
I'm right at you! Kim, you better make this shit even. No sneeze in your face.
Sneeze on the brush.
Stop.
This is not supposed to be good. Okay. It doesn't have a tutorial next to it.
So the next step is my eyeshadow. So I have 7 options. The 7th option being none. She might get lucky. And eyeshadow number 3 is the Fortune Color Pop, which is this guy. Right over here.
Okay.
And there are 16 shadows in there. So
You only use 1?
no, we're gonna use 3 shades.
Ah, okay.
But it has to go in order. Number 14 is the first shade you get to use.
I can't tell. You're kind of falling there.
Okay, pick your eyeshadow brush. This is all you do. No! Let's try this. No!
It's lit. I'm touching the ball.
Stop. Welcome to Kim's Action Salon.
Yeah, I think we're done. I can't tell. My eyes aren't working.
I heard this fall out in my eye. Okay, next to 12. That you're
I can
supposed to
count that.
use. You're gonna use the same brush?
Yeah!
Oh my goodness. Are you trying, Kim, or are you just like...
A little bit of both. From afar, it looks good. Let me catch the ball.
Me, you're violating my ball. Okay, next color. Number 9. The next
Read
color
it.
we're using is... I have no clue how to say that. Nouveau?
Should we use the same brush?
No!
Fine.
Different brush.
If this
Okay.
Camille does my makeup,
Sorry. Okay.
come on. I would use this if I didn't know better. I'm caressing your ball. Yeah, that works.
I feel like you didn't put any on there.
I can see it.
Next is For bronzer, we have 1 through 3. It's BH Cosmetics, e.l.f. Modern Metal, or none. Now, I'm kind of like messing up myself here, because if it chooses BH Cosmetics, it has eyeshadows in it as well, but I put it part of the count. So I could have either any one of these 26 shades as my...
It's like the James Charles palette. What is it? At least you're in a lawsuit. Oh, wait. Oh, no, don't cancel me, please.
Okay, so I picked number 2, so which is the e.l.f. Modern Metal.
It looks like an eyeshadow.
Here you go, my contour. Contour me, BB. It picked number
This one.
3. Yeah. Ooh. Show them what number 3 is.
It's like orange. They look like Doritos. It's like a lollipop.
I hope you're blending.
Not yet. You gotta put it on first, then you blend,
That's
and then you get the thingy later, and then you do it.
What thingy?
I don't know. I'm hoping something will put it together. Wow.
1 through 3. Highlight 1, which is my Ofra. Kimmy, she's bought that for me.
It's a Talia Mark collab, so use Talia for 20% off. Hey, you gotta support the people.
You better highlight me to the gods because
You gotta do the flick of the wrist. No, turn this way.
turn
Why
to
are you
you and
moving?
tickle.
I don't know if I put it in the right spot.
Code Talia.
Yeah. No code Tati. We only stand on unproblematic people.
No problem. Now we're on to lipstick, which is 1 through 7. Yes. Number 4, which is the Modern Metal Gloss. Literally, I said.
Why do you have that? This reminds me of junior high. Everyone just wore lip glosses and it just stuck on a little wall.
My birthday vlog apparently got 2,300 views. And we're kind of a little suspicious on it because my algorithm, what is it called? My analytics.
Oh, it shoots
It's
it out.
only showing 8 views. I swear if my lip gloss goes
Science.
everywhere.
Science. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Shut up. Stop laughing.
Okay.
Don't laugh. No. Oh. Well, it's like you got a gold foil and like I can double dip, right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't have. Oh, it's back. Been a design guy.
Boo, boo, boo. Okay, now that that's done, we do liner or no liner. Being no liner. Alrighty, generating 2 eyeliner.
Good luck.
Good luck. I don't have to put
This is dangerous.
Yes. I'm hoping you're not gonna go for waterline eyeliner. I'm hoping you go for like upper lid because I'm more.
They just said liner. They didn't say where I'm supposed to put it.
No.
You're just talking about the item itself, which is an eyeliner.
No.
But we have to be innovative nowadays. Ooh. Can I make it really pointy so when I poke your eye, it's like
Fuck you. Like you don't choose to go to the trash can that's behind us.
behind me is cat.
That's,
Just close your eyes.
that's even more scary.
Why? Just close it.
They're closed.
Oh,
Stop.
slip.
Yeah.
Stop moving.
I'm not moving. You are.
I know. Stop moving. Open your eyes. I never learned anyway.
I'm so confused.
Next.
Okay.
Maybe this one's gonna turn out better.
Nope.
Oh no, I got thick with 2 C's. Okay.
Are they sisters or are they twins?
More like stepsister.
Mind you guys, I don't have a mirror, so I'm not seeing any of this that's on my face right now.
And I can't see.
Even better. Mascara or no mascara?
You better hope for nothing anywhere in your eyes.
2.
Yay!
Nothing near my eyes, but we will. I'll just go ahead and brush them up just to.
Then you have to go outside like that.
What? It is 10 o'clock at night, dude.
I'm green.
Okay, guys. So what do you guys think? And let's see my reaction. Kim, how do you think you did?
10 out of 10. Would not do it again.
Okay, I'm kind of like nervous. Thank you for my black dot on my nose.
It's more of a dash.
Wow, Kim, that's not that bad. I like my eyeshadow. I think that was the one thing I was worried about most.
I told you I've been practicing.
Girl, you've been practicing. I don't see no. Oh, I see my eyeliner.
I can't see.
I love all that fallout underneath too.
Yeah, that's the, you know, the under thing.
Go ahead and comment down below to say how much, what you think. What am I trying to say? Go ahead and comment down below
To let me know.
let me know what you think how Kim did. What's your favorite part about this look besides that black dot on my nose? She tried to give me freckles. That's what she did, but she only gave me one.
Not poking your eye.
Not poking my eye is the best part of the video. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And like I always say, friends never say goodbye. They simply say see you next time. Bye, guys. Wah, wah.